Hi, this is Rakes, and I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new system I just recently joined called MAP, or Master Affiliate Profits. And first of all, I want to show you here the results I'm getting. I just started this not long ago, and we got a bunch of new subscribers. We got 2 this day. Subscribers. I've already earned commissions. So let me take you back into the and give you a little overview. Once you join MAP, which is like the Master Affiliate Profits, you get right here is a mandatory orientation. They go through the whole system, tell you everything about it. What I like about this system is everything's done for you. It's got the lead capture page. They collect emails for you, and you can download or you can send your own autoresponder up, so you get the leads too. They email daily to your subscribers that you bring in. So it's basically a system that's, like I said, is completely done for you. This is great for people who, especially if you have no marketing experience online, you're brand new to the whole make money online scene, you work a full-time job, you got family, it's hard to run an online business. They pretty much take care of everything. The only thing you have to do is drive traffic to the system, and they do the rest for you. But let me show you here more. You got promotional tools. And I'm a free member still. And here's the commission I made, $7.63. And they have different levels. If you join these different levels, you can make more commission. If you're at the top level, I could have made $22.89, basically 3 times the amount of commission if I would have been a higher level. But the system like this, you can start for free. As you make commissions, you can upgrade, and keep upgrading your the level you're in and make more and more commissions as time goes on, if you wish, or you can just come in a platinum, however you want to do it, or silver, gold, or free. If you click here, promotional tools, list building, this is good if you don't want to send them to their capture page, you want to build your own list first, then send them to this capture page. You can download these and give them away for free. Start your own email list. They give it a PLR license for this. When you come over here, if you want to train, they give you free training too. Click here. This is all the different trainings you get: list building, email marketing. If you click on one, you get right here's a video. It's like a 37-minute video. It's a free video, but then they have upgrade. You can upgrade and buy more training. Different levels. They give you email swipes. These grayed out ones are ones you have to purchase. If you click on it, you see here you can purchase it. But if you're an upgrade member, you automatically get them free. But if you're a free member, you got to pay extra for them. And if somebody comes in, you send here, and they buy any of these upgrades or whatever, you get a commission on all these upgrades. Another great thing about this system I like. So remember, where's that? Shows your clicks, your visitors. Conversion rate 15%. Click on my products, it brings you this page here, or it shows you stuff you already got, or these other ones you can purchase. I'm trying to remember. I remember where it's at now. I'm trying to find something for you guys, and I can't remember where it was. Okay, if you come here to my profile and click on it, you'll be brought down here. They let you add your AWeber, affiliate link, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Udemy. Which Udemy is a traffic solo provider. So you can see here I'm a free level. So if anybody comes in here through the system, they purchase anything, and they automatically advertise these for you. So they'll send out emails to all your referrals. And if they buy anything through the system, you automatically get commissions. So you can make commissions from all these different places, plus what's inside the MAP system. So MAP is an all-in-one marketing ecosystem for affiliate marketers of any level. It's created by John Thornhill together with Omar Martin and Melinda Martin. It focuses on giving you tools, training, and affiliate system to promote rather than a simple course. It's actually a whole entire system in one. Training modules covering list building, traffic, email. We already went through all those different social media, building bonuses. It's a one-link affiliate structure. You promote one single link, and you get multiple separate offers that you can make commissions on. And you get lead ownership. Like I said, you get to keep the leads that you send to the system, and they also email on your behalf too. They're a free level membership, paid tier, And the more you pay, the more benefits you get, of course, but plus the more commissions you make. Increases your pay levels, increase your commissions, extra training tools possible, and you can also get free traffic if you go to the platinum level. So you can start for free and upgrade as you go, as you earn, upgrade throughout the system. So you promote one link. If someone clicks to the system, they purchase anything in a map, you get commissions for all that. And you get possible third-party commissions, like I showed you, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Aweber, Udemy. So if someone goes on Udemy and buys $1,000 worth of traffic, you can make good commissions. You can make big commissions on this platform. There's a high payout, and there's also a second-tier commission if you're a platinum level. So if somebody below you refer, makes a sale, you can also make commissions off of their sales. This is a done-for-you system funnel. It's got templates, promotional assets. It's, like I said, it already has a landing page that you send people to, and basically all you have to do is send traffic to the system, which they cover extensively in there. Plus, there's no end of traffic online, that's for sure. So one of the prominent selling points that people like about this is they don't have to build it, and they get to keep their leads. That's a big thing. A lot of these systems you send traffic to, you don't get to keep any of the leads you send. This one here, you absolutely do. So your only job is to send traffic and let it sit back, let the system do the rest for you. And I already showed you my results. So you click for free, and the link in the description. Please give me a like and a share and a subscribe, and click the bell icon so I keep sending you more valuable information. And also I have an income and product disclaimer and description. Okay, take action, and it's free to join, and I hope you enjoy the system. You see I'm getting results, and I just started, and I haven't even really promoted it hard. But I will be more now since I see that it's actually working. All right, thank you.